Now tell me what that is. Can you tell me what that is?
A beeline.
What are those little fuzzy things?
The bees.
Those are bees, and where do the bees live?
They live in the beehive.
You live in the what do the bees make?
They make honey.
They make honey.
Yeah.
And where do they make honey at?
In the beehive.
Oh. And where do the bees live again?
They live in the beehive.
Oh, and where do they take their honey after they make it?
They make honey on it and make buzzes on it.
They make buzzes and they make honey?
Yeah.
And where do they buzz at?
They live in the beehive.
Okay. Alright, can you say happy birthday, Papa?
Happy birthday, Papa.
And say I love you.
I love you.
Okay. Are you showing me your Spider-Man pants? Those are your Spider-Man pants?
Yeah.
Wow, those are cool.
Now watch the movie now.
Okay, you can watch the movie now. Okay. Charlie.
What?
Who's that? Who you got there with you?
Mr. B.
Okay. Guess his birthday is next week.
Papa's birthday?
Yes. And what do you need to say to Papa?
Happy birthday?
Yeah, I guess his birthday was on the 5th of November. It was Rosalie. So what do we say to Rosalie?
Happy birthday, Rosalie.
Okay, Mr. B? Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday, Mr. B.
Boo.
Boo. Okay.
Look at the kid.
He's a silent partner in this production. Hunter, come here for a second. He's on the computer. You'll see our messy bedroom. Looky here. Hi. What are you doing?
Good.
What are you up to?
Good.
But what are you doing?
Watching Spider-Man.
Oh, well, guess what? Guess his birthday's next week.
What?
Papa's. So what are you gonna say to him?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Papa. Happy birthday to you.
And guess what? Rosalie's birthday was this past week. So what do you have to say to Rosalie? Hunter? Rosalie's birthday was on November 5th. So what do you have to say to Rosalie?
Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha.
Cha-cha-cha.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to Rosalie. Happy birthday to you.
All right.